Dun, dun. We got people here, of course we do. Hi, I have autism. I failed
I'm gonna land at the tower, the clock tower, and see what's up here.
Okay, there's a guy landing there with you.
Oh, you can land on it, okay.
I'm landing at the building for the
He's dead.
Yo, they lied. There's a repeat of a building. Clock tower. Actually, factually.
Haha! You live no more.
Whoa, Franklin, you take that shit out deep, dude. You live no more. Your life is gone.
That was mine, Dynamite.
Ooh, there's not enough floor spawn in this place.
Yeah, that's a good.
I agree.
What'd you say?
There's not enough floor
spawns.
Yeah, there's not.
That building had nothing. I have a gray burst.
I have a peen.
Maybe this just isn't a good place to land. What about that? There's a
I'm thinking about it.
Where are the other guys land? Do you know?
Right there.
I don't know what that means.
They're just fighting. I don't know where they are.
One shot. Can I have a heavy or some heavy ammo? Okay.
There's another guy running around. He's building now.
You're toxic.
From the north? Yep. On me, on me, on me.
31 on him.
Dead.
Oh, good job. Thank you.
Nice.
So guys.
Single one of those. Let's go.
Whole squad is gonzo.
We all live. Barely.
We out here.
There's bandies over here, Sweezy.
I got him.
There's still not a shotgun.
Yeah,
No shotgun.
We do have zone though, so we can like look around and like figure shit out.
Destroy all the buildings for mats. See how much mats we can get from this place.
Riding the reef.
Thank you.
It's not a compliment, Ted.
I appreciate being weird. I'd rather be weird than normal. Normal's boring.
Yeah,
It's your boring ass.
Yeah, but I'm unique. My mom says I'm a special snow.
I used to have a shirt that
Special indeed.
said that. That my mommy says I'm special.
Weird flags.
Very, very rarely. Oh, there's another chest spawn.
That's where we living now.
Yo, is there a single floor spawn? Well, let's go get some aeroplanes.
Take her out.
No shotguns. You gotta love it.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
Yeah, bro, I have no idea. This is weird. Ooh, and there's only 30 people left already? Good God.
I'll take it. I'm trying to get these dubs. I do want to kill people too, though.
Heavy
Is it a
sniper?
friendly heavy sniper?
There's a blue AR.
That is my sniper soon to be, sir. Just give it up.
Oh, I found a shotgun. Yay.
Well, dude, give me that. Thank you. Jesus. Pluto, how much AR ammo you got? Any?
120.
Did you drop like 20 or something?
I had a launch pad.
Ooh.
I'm way far away from you guys, but I got a launch pad.
Ooh. Ooh. Dragon. down below us. Push the wrong people, sire. You guys pushed the wrong people, sires. I'm the best.
Still no shotty.
Nope.
I found a gray tack in the last room that I knew wasn't looted.
Wow, it's a whole squad kill for me. I need a better shotgun. I have like just a blue pump. I mean a green pump.
There's a rift to go.
So yeah, let's get from my stream and realize how much work.
There's a great dash here.
Rift to go.
There's a green tag.
I got minis on me.
Ooh, AR on me. I need a mini. Coming for it.
Hey, let me get any explodes you guys have, dude.
I have
Is that
4.
mini at Frank and on you?
Yeah, it's upstairs. No, it's up there, up there. There's a whole stack. Or no, I did grab him. My bad, my bad. I'm an idiot.
I just need one.
There's a blue AR up there. Just needed this one.
Where's the explode ready?
Oh, I got 4 of them, Frank. Come here.
Let's go.
We want a rift?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do it. "19 people left. First circle's not even barely halfway. That's crazy.
Yeah, but if you think about it, that's how it's always been. We just used to play like scrims now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess that's
Before
true.
we actually started playing scrims, we were like always used to this.
Bro, I don't know where the hell to go.
Tilton?
I guess, but dude, I don't even know if people will be here anymore.
There's a big pot up here.
I'm
Ooh,
gonna grab that.
it's not a shotgun. This building I'm at wasn't hit.
Oh,
That's what you
buddy.
get. That's what you get.
I do get that.
There's a half pot on me, Sweezy.
Hey, where'd you get tagged from? West?
Yeah. Okay, that's smart ass. I'm just taking advantage. It's trying to say how.
Oh, they're there. They're on the quad.
Oh yeah, I see it.
They're coming on Frank. Oh, they went down by the punch shop.
Frank, be careful. There's one by you.
You're sliding down.
What the fuck?
One to the west.
Dude, this fucking Deagle
Hit
keeps
one
eating
on
my
it.
fucking. Where's the kid with the Deagle, bro? There you are.
There's one up top who's one shot.
How do you like to be shot, dickhead? Yeah, stupid.
Knocked one.
Is there anybody in here still?
There's such a shit on.
Oh, I didn't even get that kill.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm drinking.
I was literally sitting up here with an AR.
Carry these minis,
Slip
Frank.
over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink that slurp.
Yeah, there's more minis on me.
I get more explodes as well.
I have 4.
I didn't pick up any.
4 explodes.
I got
Drop.
10.
2.
I just...
Drop.
I got a gold new shotgun on me. Somebody.
Deal. I'm coming.
Hey, who has light ammo? Who's got an ass load of light ammo?
Me, right here.
Thanks.
There's still a chest in the bottom. as
Yeah.
well. Basement.
I wasn't able to get it,
There's
but
one down here.
I'll go get it. Never mind. Where's that pump at, Sweezy?
Right around the corner. I got the gold
Sweet.
one.
Thank you.
Sweezy was 6 kills, just popping him off, dude. He's
Sweezy's
like,
disgusting, man.
Bro, that
He's
kid with the
nasty.
Deagle was pissing me off. I had to smoke him.
I had to smoke.
No,
Smoke him.
Hit me with the Deagle. I turned, I saw him. It was just heavy sniper, and then bop with a scar. And I was like, come on now.
oh hey, who's got a sniper? There's people,
Wait for them.
197.
They're not. They're
Oh,
back
shit.
and tilted still.
Shit,
Back and
shit,
tilted
shit.
still.
My bad.
I
I
know
was
we
just-
rotating my bed.
I got a Deagles. Same thing.
I have a
I got a
grappler.
sniper.
And
Where
a
are they
campfire.
at?
And a launch pad. I have a launch pad too.
Oh, nice. Oh, I have a launch pad as well.
Sweet.
Mine, baby.
Stack. Oh, never mind.
Are there players? There are players south. Yeah. Is that who you're talking about, Frank?
Yeah. These guys. Because this guy was just standing. He was standing still for like a hot minute, and I figured
Where at?
someone.
Just got knocked, I think. South or south.
Greasy.
Oh,
Sick.
I like that, Frank. New play.
$25 white on the guy up top.
Knocked a guy.
Nice.
Knocked.
somebody's launch padding.
Run. Drop on me.
Shot him down.
Dead.
25 white on him. 25 white on him.
Oh shit.
Where is
Shoot his wall, shoot his wall, shoot his wall. Oh!
Good shot.
Bro! Hey!
Let's go! It was so dirty!
You're disgusting.
Oh my god! I called that out, dude.
You're actually an amazing player, Susie.
Yo, has anybody got a med kit?
Yep, I do.
Of the
No,
such
I do not.
On me.
where I can't fucking see anybody's
Right here,
names
right
with
here,
this
right here.
white.
43.
Yeah, I got a jump pad. We got 3 jump pads. Let's just
Yep, we do.
jump
Dude,
on
that's
this.
insane.
I mean,
bro.
we could slide across
Holy
too.
shite. I'm about to slide across. Let's see how fast you can go. Dude, you say
There.
doom across this boy.
I see one. Oh my goodness.
Bro, you
Whoa,
should go
dude, you do. You
dumb.
move so fast.
Dun, dun, dun.
Does it go away right when you get off?
Like a second
Oh, I
after.
see him. I see him. Drive by. Drive by.
Wait.
Drive by.
That would've been disgusting. Come here, boy. Nice.
One more guy left.
Alright, he's way up top, northeast.
You're gonna die. Oh!
Yeah, this guy's
Oh,
got
you can't even make it.
I really want this guy to peek.
Where'd this guy go?
What, dude?
He dropped down southeast. Drop down southeast.
Where is he
Where the
at?
hell at?
Southeast? You guys want to see me no scoping?
Do
Kinda.
it.
Alright, bet.
He's on me. He's distracted, dude. I'm gonna knock him down.
No scoping.
Wait, just don't let him kill you. Okay.
What happened, dude?
He still has shield.
Go back. Go back. Frank, you're toxic.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, I lag. Where I lag, dude.
Yeah, you guys like my builds?
Oh, that fucking snipe, dude. I'll have to clip that later.
Let's
Holy
go, dude. How many kills do we have?
I had 7.
4.
I had 5.
I had 1.
16.
Holy shit.